Now in this lesson we are actually going to create our very own Prezi, or our first Prezi, and I'm going to begin by going to Prezi.com. Whenever you go into Prezi.com, you should see this as your landing page, and if you don't see it or you get lost, you can go ahead and click here at Your Prezis, and here we'll have the option to select a new Prezi and also to see the old Prezis you have created. So I'm going to select a new Prezi. Prezi is highly customizable. You can create your own templates, but for our purpose today, we're going to be using a template that they have. These here are the templates. You can actually search templates, so I'm going to select one here that says technology. And this is the only one that comes up, the circuit board, so I will use the circuit board. And this here is the interface where Prezi actually gets created. This is, if you look at it, a Prezi would be almost like a giant poster board that zooms into different parts of your poster board at different times. This here would be our poster board. Up here is our title. So this would be for maybe like a first day of class or an introduction. Hi, my name is Edward Gonzalez. And this here represents the overall poster board. The second one represents the actual slides that you would be going to, very similar to a PowerPoint. So in my slide here, I'm going to add a title about me. All I had to do to make that was click here on the text box. I double clicked it. You can customize what type of text it is. Even the alignment or how the text or how it wraps around, or if you want to make a list. This one here, I love working with students of all ages. And here we go. As for inserting images, I'm going to go right here to insert. And this gives you the option of everything you would like to do. So if you wanted to add background music, voiceovers, you go ahead and click those there. I'm going to insert an image. If you have a file on your computer that you would like to use, you click on the file, or you click select files, and you find the photo that you want. If you want to search on the internet, you can search through there and all these pictures would pop up. I am going to use this one. And this picture here is one that I had on the internet of a great group of students that I had last year winning their film festival. So that's how I insert the image. I could drag it around. I could drag it from here. I could double click it. I could make it smaller, larger. See here, there's effects. You can actually crop the image if you wanted to replace it, if you wanted to delete it, all the different options that you have. Now we are going to insert a video. So right here, I will say, I love curriculum design. You can move the text box around and adjust them however you see fit. I love creating curriculum for all grade levels. Blah, 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 blah. And you'll notice this little white box here. I can resize it. Whoops, not that one. If you mess up, you could click this over here. This is undo, redo. Double click, and here we go. I could put my video in, insert YouTube video. I'm going to open a new window to find see, I have a couple videos that I want to use for this purpose. So I have this video here that I made on YouTube. So what I actually need from this video is what is called the URL, the address up here. So I'm going to right click, copy, and then here in my Prezi, I go ahead and paste that. Paste it, press insert, and there you go. Now I have my Prezi. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these two windows. Now I have my Prezi with, it has a picture, it has a video, the different things you can add. If you want to save it, it saves automatically on its own, but if you want to save it, if you don't want to take the chance, you could save it by pressing the little disc here. And you can exit or press present, voila. It says allow the keyboard controls. That means that you can use the arrows to move around. When you want to exit, you could click this down here, or you can press escape. And that, let's see, I'm going to exit now. And you're going to see back here on my main home page or landing page, if I go to prezi.com, I have my main presentation here. And I can edit or present from this spot.